structure to the space. As you can see, this is my view. It's amazing. There are not too many trees there. We need some shade desperately for this new build home. So gazebo is right, the perfect thing to do. Probably mention what style we went with. We went with this one right here. It's the hardtop 12.5 by 10.5 hardtop steel gazebo. It also comes with some curtains there for to keep the bugs out if you need. But we went with this, a product that hasn't been damaged at all. So it's protected really well. So we're about to unfold this and have a look. Gazebos with hard tops, soft tops. They have all the things. So make sure you check them out. But this is the one that we went with. So I'm excited to see. It says that it's brown, but opening up the package is actually more of this one because that we live in such a windy area that it was essential for us to have something that we knew for sure that could withstand the wind gusts that we sometimes get. So we went with steel versus wood. They have some beautiful options from Sunjoy. They have wood and oil rub bronze. So it's going to look really good with the house. I'll need to go get some more comfortable clothes. My husband is going to assist. Let's just say my husband is going to be leading the team. But we are going to put this up. It says that it takes about 12 hours. So we're going to see how this goes. We have a full perfect weather. It is the perfect time to finally get to put up our Sunjoy gazebo. I can't tell you how excited I am, but there are no words. This is so fun and it's so exciting. It's going to create a wonderful day set aside for it. So let's do this. Sun's coming out. All right, so we have the sides on, as you can see. We have the top, and this is what basically the top of the gazebo is going to look like. If you go over here, mainly what's keeping it together are these types of screws right here. Get closer with washers. And it's pretty simple. You just have to follow the instructions. And everything is labeled, so it's very, very user-friendly. So it's looking so amazing, and it's creating so much structure to the space. It's going to be so fun to be able to style it inside.